WTO is facing profound challenges, both externally and internally. Maybe the biggest crisis since it was launched. But what's more concerning is that WTO has not been able to pull its weight amid this growing uncertainty. The sluggish global economic growth, combined with weak demand, and also rising protectionism and trade tensions, have been causing much strains to global trade. And COVID-19 has added fuel to this situation. First, we have to revitalize the negotiating function to update the rule book so that we could reflect economic realities that business faces in the WTO. And second, addressing the impasse in the appellate body and restoring dispute settlement function is another very urgent agenda. And third, improved transparency and monitoring function is also important if we are to agree on new rules and also lessen the burden on the dispute settlement system.